Welcome back to another episode of Cholo's Tiny Truck Chop Shop. I'm your boy Dano, aka Cholo. What I want to share with you guys tonight is something real quick, you guys, for powering your Bronco, your TRX4 Bronco lights. The actual lights that go with the Bronco kit. Yes, I bought the the Traxxas Bronco light kit, and it comes with the kit comes with this, or you need to get this little power module right here when you're running the stock ESC and motor. Well, excuse me, I am not running the stock ESC motor on this. I'm running the Hobbywing Axe 3300 kV system in this thing. It does not have the JST plug that the Traxxas motor provides you to plug this thing into. Don't have it. So I've been kicking around how to power these lights. I had them powered up by a 9-volt battery, but that 9-volt battery, the headlights were too powerful. They drew too much power from the 9-volt battery to where within an hour of running them, I lost my headlights. Still had the parking lights, brake lights, or tail lights and all that stuff, but I lost my headlights. Okay, because whether you guys do or do not know, the white LEDs draw a lot more power than most LEDs or other LEDs. So I've been searching. I finally found a module. I will show you guys. Let me turn her on here. There she is. You guys can see I've got the headlights, two front, parking lights. I got the sides. Whip it around. Oh, it'll fall apart on me. I got the tail lights and the two side markers. And that's what the Traxxas TRX4 Bronco light kit provides you with. Now, I can probably add a couple LEDs on here to the rear to get my rear lights, but I don't really need to, because unless I hook up like a Mitric RC kit, which will give you the brake lights and all that stuff. But no, this is good. It's scale enough for me. I like it. It's great. Now, the only issue with it, like I said, was trying to power all this stuff with running a non-stock ESC with the JST plug. So what I did, let me unplug this. Like I said, I have the Traxxas light kit. I even have the little little module right there and all that stuff. It plugs in all the good LEDs and stuff. And I had it cut before, but I spliced it back together with their stock plug that plugs into the power module that I showed you just a second ago. Let me set this off to the side over here. But the power module that I got, you guys, let me get my battery out of the way, is this right here. It looks just like the other power module that comes with the TRX4 Bronco light kit, or supposed to be if you buy the full kit. It looks just like it. It does the exact same thing. The only thing is, it comes, this one that I got, and I'll give you the part number here in a minute, it comes with an adapter that plugs into, and has a male and female end for a Traxxas style battery plug. I don't run Traxxas battery plugs. I'm not going to get into it. I just don't. So what I did was I took that end that was also marked with the Traxxas plug, positive and negative. I soldered the positive to the positive side of my ESC on my Hobbywing Axe ESC, and the negative to the negative. Because of how this is set up, I was going to splice it into the positive and negative power wires, because that's how it works with when it comes. You plug it in, it basically, I would have, if I was running Traxxas stuff, I would take this little adapter, plug it right into this, and then plug the battery into that. It just is just a little adapter that gives you power. So, clip that off, like I said, soldered positive to positive, negative to negative, and it also comes with a signal wire, I'm sorry, not a signal wire, but a power wire to power the module that you plug into the channel 1 on your receiver. The problem with that I had with that is this Hobbywing Axe system has a fan on it, which is supposed to plug into that number 1 port on my receiver. So what I did was I fabricated my own little Y. This goes into the channel 1, plugs into my receiver. I made a Y so I can now plug in my fan, my motor fan, my ESC fan, my ESC fan, not motor fan. And I also get the power supply that's needed from that little, the receiver, a little bit of power that runs to this power module. This power module then just simply takes the plug from the Traxxas Bronco light kit, plug it in as you would with the other module, and it powers it, gives it everything. It's good, it's great. Last night, when I still had the Futaba style plug on this, I plugged it in directly to the ESC. The receiver, the channel 1 part of the receiver, because I had just a simple little pigtail in there. My headlights, I ran it for about 10-15 minutes. When I came back inside, I could smell plastic, electric burn, something hot. That power directly from the receiver, you guys, was way too much, and it melted the hot glue that I had on the back side of the body. If you guys don't know anything about the Traxxas lights, they mount within the grill or the front side, and they push onto the front. So the back side of the actual body itself got hot enough from that power from the receiver that it melted my freaking hot glue off. And it also, I don't think you guys can see it, but it partially distorted the little bit of foil that's inside the housing of the lights. But you saw I just had it plugged in a second ago. They are not nearly as bright, so which tells me that they're good to go. They're not going to make these things too hot, and it's fantastic. Now, getting to the part that y'all want to know. The part that I used is not the Traxxas module that comes with the TRX4 Bronco light kit. What it is part number 7286. 7286. I got this off of Larry's RCs online, you guys. It was 20, I think it was 20 and some change, taxes, delivery, and everything out the door. What this part is actually a power module for a 1/16 Summit light kit. I think it's the rock lights on a 1/16 Summit light kit. That's what this part is made for. I just told you and showed you how I modified it to fit my TRX4, and you saw it power all my lights. There it is, you guys. A simple fix, and I'm sure you could probably use this module for almost anything to power your lights if you're using the Traxxas style light kits, you know what I mean, and not a stock Traxxas ESC motor combo. So you guys, hopefully that helps you guys power your lights on any of your RCs, Traxxas style RCs anyway. Dano, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.